Ano babo, kabalen, kumusta kayo po na? Ako po yung Louis Season.
Marco Nanan, we're in Pampanga.
Kabalen, ngayon po nga ini at saka kami kayo ng SM City, Pampanga. And may invite kami po kayo ni Bayong Pipanganan.
Yes.
So we can say Pipanganan yan na either dine-in or take-out. Apin po ining Banh Mi Kitchen. So Banh Mi Kitchen is from Manila and first day pong story ni Linwal kay Manila and Pampanga ito.
Yes, opening.
Soon opening king SM City Clark mo naman. So watch out for that store. Ngayon mo naman December 8. So yung gawin mi ngayon guys is syempre takman nila rin kanilang Banh Mi. And just to give you an idea, Banh Mi is from
Vietnam.
wow, so may originate yung Banh Mi king Vietnam. So dininanda kami ngayon apin din kanilang classic. Ang pong meto nga
Wagyu tapa.
ating kami mo naman cold coffee. Yan eh, oh. Itong nasikan naman kay Vietnam is ining karelang hot coffee. So kaya ni guys, house na pala kaya ni damn strong. Kasi kay sobrang tapang na ning kape da, siguradong migising ka. Takmantala po rin karelang pamangan nga nga doon, abayan nyo kami po.
So, tara, let's go!
So muna akong takman kayo ni guys, ining karelang classic. So atin lang doang size, itang full apong junior. Ngayon yung binyada kaya kami full la rin eh. And then we just cut it into half na. So in classic guys, atin yung Vietnamese ham, roast pork, atin yung pate. Yung pate is chicken liver. Gawa din paste makanya na. Kiba atin yung cucumber, cilantro, pickled radish, carrot, Japanese mayo. Plus itang hoisin sauce, siguradong yung nito nga takmanta mo kayo na. Takmanta na lang na. Wow. So ito yung ingredients na like the cucumber, itong carrots, super fresh lang talagang kagad-kagad akay mula, abaw mo lang mo yan.
So ini naman apin itang ausandang Wagyu tapa. Metong ini karetang Banh Mi creation. What's in it? Atin yung pate, Wagyu tapa, omelette, cucumber, pickled radish, carrots, cilantro, and itang Japanese mayo. So ano niya kaya lasa? Naman kaso yung last itang kayo Wagyu tapa daw. Good.
If you want additional kick for your Banh Mi, of course, available yung sriracha candy. There you go guys. Kumatayin natin makanina na. Ikaw guys, may katama na kayong Banh Mi. Balo ko, there was a time when sinikat lang mo naman din Vietnamese cuisine kay Pampanga eh. Itong yun ka rin sinikat guys, Banh Mi. Oh wow. Super fresh la rin kahit kayo ni red ang herbs, red ang vegetables da. Kaya dagdagan mo yung sriracha. The best yan ha. Hindi lang kayo pang manyamanyak. At nilang aman mo na
Crunch test.
crunch test. So anong sibuk na may bread kay ba't aliya crunchy, pwede may balik. Other products daw for the traditional Banh Mi ito lang lemongrass pork, lemongrass chicken, po itang classic.
Kaya naman Banh Mi creations daw. Metong yung karete kami. Nandun tang tinakmanta mo itang Wagyu tapa, protein monster, tsaka samgyeopsal kimchi.
Aside from the traditional Vietnamese flavor na ito, atin lang mo naman palang aliwaliwang fusion from other countries.
Kaya naman vegetarian, syempre atin kayo rin Kenny. At tinanin ako sa Banh Mi Premium Creations. So atin tamo Kenny, vegetarian satay, tsaka vegan fishless curry Banh Mi.
So sabihin ko lang rin ang prices naman So for the traditional, price range from 99 to 149 pesos. Itang Banh Mi Kitchen Creations naman, 139 pesos to 199 pesos for the full size. Kaya ba't karela naman Premium Creations, 189 up until 299 pesos.
Maliban kang Banh Mi sandwich, tinala ng chips Kenny. Ako sa ng food chips.
Food chips.
So then shrimp chips la with spicy powder.
Wow. Vietnamese na not a Filipino flavor from that chip.
So this is only 79 pesos.
79 pesos. Ito guys, so couple of delights came in again. Ini karelang Banh Mi Kitchen milk tea, kaya ba't ini naman?
Lemongrass pandan.
Lemongrass pandan. Interesting na. Takmantala na ini. Yun.
Wow. Comment kini na. Fresh pandan tsaka lemongrass yung pebukal kini.
Wow.
So, alasan mo talaga.
Di ako naman super guys. Kaya ko ay distinguish nung nano talaga nga chukeni kasi kay balulas.
Pero isa Thai milk tea.
Itong first sip mo, mayumo ya, mga yan you must check this out karetang milk tea na ayupating man. This is a must try guys, check it out. Ito guys syempre at the end of every meal, what a great way to end it with warm coffee.
Ako naman cold coffee.
One, visit dyan po ining Banh Mi Kitchen. Located dyan po ini kayo SM City, Pampanga.
Yung pinaka landmark na is along the way mo papunta kita SM Supermarket.
SM Supermarket. So, there you have it guys. Thank you for watching. We're in Pampanga. Until our next discovery.
Peace out.
Wow. Alright guys, for more discoveries, please visit our website, we'reinpampanga.com, or download our mobile app for iOS and Android. Salamat Banh Mi!